Why do distant bells ring together without wires? Bell's theorem proves quantum non-locality. Particles influence instantly, defying Einstein. Picture twins separated, one feels the other's pain. Experiments confirm reality connected beyond space. Mystic tie? God's omnipresence everywhere at once, like non-local love. Meister Eckhart said God is closer than self. Theorem echoes that unity. Felt non-local? Comment below. If this connected you, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Next up, theosis, quantum divine evolution. Stay linked.